Hey there, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to hide friend list on Facebook. For that, you need to head into Facebook application. Make sure to log in on your Facebook account, then tap on the three-line icon which is at the upper right corner. Once you get access on the menu page of Facebook, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on settings. Again, tap on settings. Once you get access on the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until unless you don't find how people find and contact you. Here under audience and visibility, there is the option of how people find and contact you. Simply tap on it. So once you get access on this how people find and contact you, right now who can see your friend list is set on friends. So in order to hide your friend list on Facebook, you simply need to modify this audience to only me. For that, you need to tap on friends button. When you tap on friends on this drop down list, you can see only me option which is at the bottom of the screen. Tap on only me. So now you have successfully hidden your friend list on Facebook. So basically if you set who can see your friend list to only me, only you will be able to see your full friends list on your timeline. Other people will see only the mutual friends. So I hope you got the information to how to hide friend list on Facebook. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.